Ever wondered how to remove an employee from OnPay? Maybe they've moved on to greener pastures, or perhaps you've decided to downsize. Whatever the reason, it's a process that needs to be handled with care. Imagine this. You've just finished a long, exhausting day at work. You're finally ready to relax. But then, a notification pops up on your phone about an unexpected OnPay expense. You're confused, baffled, and a little bit annoyed. It turns out that a former employee, who left months ago, has somehow managed to continue accessing your company's OnPay account. This is a common scenario that many businesses face. If not handled correctly, it can lead to financial losses, security breaches, and a whole lot of headaches. So, let's dive into the steps on how to safely and effectively remove employees from OnPay. Step 1. Deactivate employee access. The first and most crucial step is to deactivate the employee's access to OnPay. This will prevent them from making any further transactions or accessing sensitive company information. Log into your OnPay account as an administrator. Navigate to the Employees section. Locate the employee you want to remove. Click on their name to access their profile. Look for the Deactivate or Disable button. Click on it to deactivate their access. Step 2. Review and update permissions. Once the employee's access has been deactivated, it's important to review and update their permissions. This will ensure that they no longer have any privileges within the OnPay system. Go to the Permissions or Roles section. Identify any roles or permissions that were assigned to the employee. Remove or modify these permissions to prevent future access. Step 3. Verify access. After deactivating the employee's access and updating their permissions, it's crucial to verify that they can no longer access OnPay. Try logging in to OnPay using the employee's credentials. If they are unable to access the account, the process has been successful. Step 4. Remove employee data. If you no longer need the employee's data within OnPay, you can proceed to remove it. Consult your company's data retention policy to determine how long employee data should be retained. Once the retention period has expired, you can safely delete the employee's data. Be mindful of any legal or compliance requirements that may apply to data retention. Step 5. Update payroll records. If the employee was receiving a salary or wages through OnPay, you'll need to update your payroll records accordingly. Ensure that the employee's information is removed from your payroll system. Make any necessary adjustments to your payroll calculations. Additional tips. Regularly review employee access to ensure it remains up-to-date and appropriate. Implement strong security measures to protect your OnPay account and prevent unauthorized access. Consider using multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Keep your OnPay software updated with the latest security patches. Removing employees from OnPay is a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps and implementing best practices, you can ensure that your company's sensitive financial information remains secure. Have you ever faced challenges with removing employees from OnPay? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.